Hello viewers, hello traders. In this video, we'll be showing you how you can enter a trade with the MT5 trading platform. You can enter a trade with the MT5 trading platform in two ways, either the order level or the one-click trading futures. You can enter with the order level in two ways too. Either you can go to the new order button and click it, then the order window will appear here, or you can enter it by going to the markets watch window here and double click any forex currency pairs you want to trade with. Then the order window will appear where you can see all those variables that you can modify before you enter a sell or a buy trade. You can see the volume here that you want to trade with. You can see the stop loss, you can set the take profits, and you can also input the comment if you so wish. You can enter either the instant execution or the pending order. When you click on the pending order, some variables will come will pop out, and where you can maybe click the type of variables you want to enter the trade with, and also the expiration time, and also the comments. You can set your stop loss and take profits. Then you can click a trade, or you can also enter the instant execution. Then you set your volume, your stop loss, and your take profits. You add your comment, then you can click on the buy or the sell trade. The instant execution is a situation that a trader executes a trade with the current market price. Why the pending order, it's a situation whereby a trader place an order either above or below the current market price, and once the price hits that order that the trader placed, the trade automatically is executed. Then you are in the market. We can also enter a trade with the one-click trading future. So how you can see it as you go to the left corner of your window, you click the icon here and it will pop up to bypass, and we impute all the variables we saw in the other window. Then we can set the volume here, then you can click either sell or buy trade. Thank you very much. If you have any question regarding how to place a trade via the MT5 trading platform, don't forget to write us a comment below the comment section, and don't forget to follow our Instagram page, our Facebook page, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.